All right, this problem says a vase has the shape obtained by revolving the curve y equals 2 plus sine of x from x equals 0 to x equals 5 about the x-axis. X and y are measured in inches. What's the volume in cubic inches of the vase? All right, well, you can go into Desmos or graphing calculator, but probably Desmos these days, and at least look at the graph. But if we want to sketch it here, it would look like, so the sine graph would, do this, of course. And since we've shifted it up 2, that probably means that it's going to like come down and touch, oops, it's probably going to come down and just like touch the, right? So from 0 to 5, a cycle is 2 pi, so that would be like 2 pi. 5 would be maybe probably around here-ish. So in any case, we're rotating that around the x-axis. And by doing that, we're gonna be using the disk method to accumulate volume. Okay, so if you imagine just rotating that one rectangle, we're gonna get a disk, which I'll sketch, I guess kind of sloppily. Okay, but there's our disk. The thickness is dx, and then the radius that we see there, well, it's just the function itself, right? So if I call this f of x, or the function f of x equals 2 plus sine of x, then r is just equal to f of x. And so therefore, that would be, so our change in volume, or the volume of this one little slice, would be pi times f of x squared dx, and then our total volume would be integrating from 0 to 5. So I'm going to put this into the calculator. Okay, and if I go do that, I believe I get E, but let me just go show you what it looks like. Yep, so pi, you notice I wrote it, what I just had there on the screen, 80.11 roughly. Okay, and that was, oops, sorry, wrong screen. That was E.